Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel. So here I'll be teaching you how to make a Nigerian style hamburger. This is my first video ever on YouTube. We are new here and we assure you to make videos that are going to be of your interest. So the details for this recipe is going to be in the capture. So in here you have your spread, that is the combination of mayonnaise and ketchup. That's our bread made from us, because I'm a baker. I will make breads, cakes and pastries. So after you layer your cream, you add your lettuce, then go in anything you want. Go add your cheese, tomatoes, onion, whatever you feel like pouring in your hamburger, you do that. So here I prefer tomatoes and onions. What else again? Cucumber and my beef. The recipe for it is going to be in the capture also. But in the beef you have your minced meats. You add your maggi, salt, any spice you like, benny, whatever spice you like to touch up your meat filling, you just pour it in. Then always add a binder. For me, I use egg and a little bit of breadcrumbs into the beef just to make it firm. Or what should I use? Yeah, firm, just to make the beef to bind together. So you can see I'm done making the hamburger and it looks really nice. But first off, you have to toast your bread after slicing through. You have to toast it to give it that yummy crunch feeling. You know what I mean now? Yeah, so our hamburger is ready to go. See the yumminess, see how the cream is. Oh, so yummy. Like seriously, it was the best I've ever eaten so far. No restaurant can make this for me. Okay, so my name is Mrs. Ifoma Ilodibe. I'm the creative director of Gamira Cakes and Pastries. We're a cake shop here in Lagos, Nigeria. We make cakes, breads and pastries for birthdays, all kinds of events. You are welcome to my page. Thank you. If you're watching this, please subscribe, support your girl. Thank you so much for watching.